This is the intro. You want to do an intro?
Hello, 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 and welcome back to JenHannagans.
She's Jen. I'm Hannah. It's been a while since we said that intro.
Yeah.
Old habits. What you are about to see is what we have already done, which is
What you're about
prep.
to not see is my dirty room. Go ahead.
What are you
Go
doing?
ahead.
Which is meal prep. We spent today meal prepping, and we prepped a lot of whole foods.
Yes.
Because we have decided, I'm announcing it so it's official, that 2024 is the year of whole foods. It is our goal to define what that means to us, replace the processed foods as much as possible by June.
Which we've been working on for a lot of years
A
now.
long
It's
time.
just we're a lot closer than
Yeah.
we ever have
I
been.
am really
so.
shaky. Sorry, guys. Hope video stabilization is... No. Try this.
There we go.
Anyway,
Better?
so we found a YouTuber. Do you remember her?
Downshiftology.
Downshiftology. She had posted a couple years ago meal prep where she prepped just ingredients that you could use. And she really likes that idea because both of us, if we prep a meal, we don't like eating the exact same thing every day.
Yeah.
And the food goes to waste. So that's what we did. And
Here it is.
First meal prep of the day, we're going to start the butt roast. You're going to hear kids in the background. That's just life at Jen's. So we're using the recipe, and I'm just going to cut that up, rub the butt with spices, put the orange juice in, and see how it turns out. This isn't my normal recipe. We'll see. So that's what it looks like right now. Anybody else hate the feeling of raw meat? I can't. It's my least favorite part, but I just followed the recipe. It's paprika and oregano and some cumin and some garlic powder. There's onion and orange juice in there, which it's not much juice, so I don't know, but low and slow for 8 hours, so we'll see. So this is what we're prepping or working on prepping this week. We're gonna roast those, turn these plus some into sweet potato toast. I already started cooking the pork roast. That's gonna be pulled pork. I think we might hard boil some eggs. I'm not making hummus, so I bought hummus. Cherries. And then for whatever we do, and then maybe rice, maybe lentils. I don't know. We're trying to do whole foods. Who knows what's going to happen? Now for the part of the video that I'm not looking forward to. Here's the thing. She never believes me when I say I don't like something because there was a cherry incident. Kids are playing. Ignore.
Cherry incident. Not a chair incident.
Cherry. I said I didn't like cherries. She didn't believe me, and unfortunately this time she was right. I didn't like them when I was younger. Our taste buds changed. I also don't like hummus. But she doesn't believe me, and I have tried these more recently. So, I'm going to taste test the hummus, and if I don't like it, she's keeping both of them. These are both from Aldi, which is very cheap. It's actually, I'm not going to go through the process of making hummus. Neither is Jen right now. These are very inexpensive. We got roasted garlic and roasted red pepper, so I'm going to try. We're going to see. I'm just trying them with a carrot. Okay. I don't want to do this.
I did pay. I gave you $16.
Dang it. I don't hate it.
What? I missed it. Do I have to go back and rewatch?
So
Yeah.
extra.
I don't hate the garlic. I think
Now
it's
mix the stuff in.
I don't want to mix it in yet.
Mix the stuff in.
I'm just tasting the hummus.
It's better with the stuff.
I'm filming. Go ahead. They hear the background noise anyway.
Yeah, everyone knows we're living our lives here.
Keep my phone,
Where is it?
please.
Man, I hate when she's right. Guys, look what we did. So it's all divided up. But we have, the pork is still cooking. We didn't do rice, we did lentils. sweet potato toast, which is baked sweet potato slabs, soft-boiled eggs, spinach to go with it, roasted vegetables, hummus. Yes, I bought it. I don't care. I bought it. That qualifies as meal prep. We had prepped chicken, but then we ate the chicken. So this is what we're working on. Or working with, I should say. Because it's all done. So there you go. That's what we did. Literally 2 seconds ago, we filmed the intro. Now we're filming the outro. We have done soft-boiled eggs, sweet potato toast, roasted vegetables, pulled pork, which, by the way, is amazing.
Lentils.
So good. Lentils. Discovered that I don't absolutely hate hummus, which I did before. I actually did try hummus before and not like it, but I kind of like it. What else? I feel like we're missing something.
We had spinach. We have shredded cabbage for just to add to
Yeah.
those things. That was it though. 5 things.
We
is
made
what we
chicken.
did.
Then
We
we ate
ate
the
it.
chicken.
because we didn't have lunch.
So anyway, stay tuned and watch us this week because we are going to, on our shorts, show you how we use the things that we prepped.
Yes.
So, like the video, subscribe, comment down below. Let us know how do you like to meal prep? Do you prep the whole meal? Do you prep components? Let us know. If there's any component that's really great to prep, let us know. And yeah.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.